and let's go to weldments, then structural member. Here, let's go to the ISO. For the type, we need to place a circular tube, and for the column, we want it to be around 10 inches. So that's why you need to go to, let's say, 273, and I want the thickness to be 8 millimeters. Once done, select this line, and here we have the column. Hit OK, and once again select structural member, and from the ISO we need to place this pipe, and it will be 4 inches pipe, and that's why from the type keep it circular, and for the size let's go to 114. We need 114.3, but we need it to be 8 millimeters thickness. So select this line and hit OK. And once again, select structural member, keep the same options, but for the size, we need this to be 2.5 inches. That's why we need this to be around, let's say 76, and we need the thickness to be 5 millimeters. And then select this line and select this one, then hit OK. Before we proceed, we need to create some trims, like here. So select Trim Extend. Now, bodies to be trimmed, I want to trim this pipe. And the trimming body, I want this body to trim this pipe. So once you select this one here, whatever we have inside will be trimmed. For sure, we need to keep this and to keep this. If you change this to discard, it will be removed. So make sure to have these and then hit OK. We need to do the same, but this time with these two pipes. So select Trim Extend, select this one, then for the trimming boundary or the trimming body, we want this one to be the trimming body, then hit OK. And now we have this pipe empty from inside.